Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we dive into the sleek world of the latest Tecno Spark 20 Pro. Join me as we unbox this beauty, explore its cutting-edge features, and uncover what makes it a standout choice in the realm of smartphones. Get ready to witness the unboxing experience like never before. When we first laid eyes on the phone, it was incredibly attractive and caught our attention immediately. Upon opening the box, our eyes were drawn to the first item nestled within, a transparent silicone case, meticulously crafted from durable rubber. This case not only adds a layer of protection to your Spark 20 Pro, but also maintains its sleek aesthetics, allowing the phone's design to shine through while safeguarding it from everyday wear and tear. Let's take a closer look at this essential accessory that combines style with functionality, ensuring your device stays safe and stylish. In addition to the transparent silicone case, we also found a 33-watt fast charger inside the box. This powerful charger ensures that your Tecno Spark 20 Pro gets juiced up quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected to what matters most. With rapid charging capabilities, you can say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. Let's delve deeper into this impressive charging solution that complements the Spark 20 Pro's performance seamlessly. When you pick up the phone in your hand, the first thing you notice is how incredibly comfortable it feels. The leather design adds a touch of classic elegance, making it not just a device but a statement piece. The tactile feel of the leather enhances your grip and adds a layer of sophistication to your everyday tech companion. Let's explore further and see how this blend of comfort and style elevates the Tecno Spark 20 Pro experience. Now, let's dive into the heart of the phone and explore its inner workings. From the camera setup to the fingerprint sensor and beyond, we'll uncover the features that make the Tecno Spark 20 Pro a standout in its class. Join me as we delve into the details and discover what sets this device apart from the rest. When we talk about the display, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering an incredibly smooth visual experience. This high refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and watching videos feel buttery smooth, enhancing the overall usability of the phone. Tecno Spark 20 Pro features a powerful 108-megapixel ultra-sensing main camera designed to capture every detail with stunning clarity. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-up shots, this camera delivers exceptional image quality that will elevate your photography game. Let's delve into the capabilities of this impressive camera and see how it transforms your photography experience. Let's not forget about the fingerprint sensor, which is not only fast, but also incredibly clear. It's designed to recognize your fingerprint with speed and accuracy, ensuring quick and secure access to your device without any delays. With its efficient performance, you won't have to wait long to unlock your Tecno Spark 20 Pro and dive into everything it has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Tecno Spark 20 Pro. From its stunning design and comfortable feel to its powerful camera and speedy fingerprint sensor, this device is truly a standout in its class. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines style, performance, and convenience seamlessly, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.